Welcome to our beginner-friendly tutorial on how to effectively use Asana, a powerful project management tool. Whether you're managing personal tasks or collaborating with a team, this step-by-step guide will help you get started with all the core features you need. First things first, head to the Asana website and create your account. You can start with the free version, which includes all the essential features. After confirming your email, Asana will ask you to select your role as a team member or team leader. But don't worry, this can always be changed later. Once logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Here you'll find options for projects, tasks, and team collaboration. It's your command center for all things Asana. Now let's create your first project. On the left-hand menu, click the Create Project button. You can either start from scratch with a blank project or choose a pre-made template. After that, give your project a clear name and choose the view type that works best for you. List view is often the most beginner-friendly. Once your project is set up, it's time to add tasks. Click Add Task to start creating tasks related to your project. You can assign each task a due date and a responsible team member. To keep everything organized, use sections within your project to categorize tasks, and if needed, break down tasks further using subtasks. Task assignment is key for clarity and accountability. To assign a task, simply click on it and choose a team member from the drop-down menu. This will ensure everyone knows what they're responsible for. The My Tasks section is a handy way to keep track of everything assigned to you, no matter which project it's in. It's a great tool for prioritizing and staying on top of your workload. Use the Inbox feature to get real-time updates on any task changes, comments, or project updates. This is your way to stay in the loop with everything happening across your projects. Asana offers different ways to view your projects: list, board, and calendar views. Experiment with each to see which one works best for your workflow. The great part is, you can switch between them at any time to meet your needs. Want even more functionality? Asana allows integrations with popular tools like Slack and Google Drive. These integrations make collaboration and file sharing seamless, improving your productivity. For even more in-depth tutorials, head over to the Asana Academy. You'll find video tutorials, live sessions, and resources to help you become an Asana expert. By following these steps, you'll have a solid foundation for using Asana as a project management tool. Whether you're managing personal tasks or working with a team, Asana's flexibility will help you stay organized and efficient. For visual learners, check out additional video tutorials on YouTube to see Asana in action. Now you're ready to dive in and start managing your projects like a pro.